Finally got our wax up mud hair removal. We're gonna try this out. Let's see how it looks.
How it looks or how it works?
How it works and how I look. Let's see how I look.
I think you're gonna need more than wax to change this.
Wow, really? Here's the popsicle sticks for adults and kids. This is every other person's size, and this is for Uncle Louis' size. Ow!
You ready,
Stephanie?
cabroncito?
Okay.
I can't believe you trust me to do this to you. Ready?
Wait. So I gotta breathe through my mouth? Yeah.
Mods, I want you to trust me, okay?
Yeah.
Because I've never done this.
What? You said you do it all the time.
Matza! Come on. No, you don't pull it, stupido. Do you feel it? Like,
It's
is it
warm
attached?
inside my nose. I feel like it's in my throat. Yeah, I can't breathe through it. It works.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Ah! Fuck! Is that a boogie? I broke the chair. Oh shit.
We still got one more.
This is a bad idea.
All those times you used to talk smack. Payback is nice. Ready? Deep breath.